Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Join the Pigs Revolution. Airdrop and listing events announced. Pigs coin is making waves in the crypto world, and you don't want to miss out on the action. As a Telegram-based memecoin inspired by the success of Dog's token, Pigs coin has quickly built a vibrant and growing community of over 3 million users. Known for its fun, engaging platform and exciting opportunities to earn rewards, Pigs coin is riding the memecoin trend straight to success. Now, with the upcoming airdrop and listing events, Pigs coin is set to take its community and value to the next level. Let's dive into all the details and see why you should be part of this exciting journey. What's the buzz about the Pigs airdrop? The Pigs airdrop is one of the most eagerly awaited events in the memecoin world. Scheduled to happen before September 30th, this event offers a simple way for community members to earn free Pigs tokens. The process is easy and fun. Complete tasks. Engage with the Pigs platform by performing designated activities. These tasks are designed to be simple and rewarding, ensuring everyone has a chance to participate. Refer friends. The more friends you invite to join the community, the bigger your rewards. Referrals are a key part of the event, helping expand the Pigs ecosystem while rewarding participants for their contributions. The tagline, "Tasks plus referrals equals big rewards," perfectly captures the spirit of the airdrop. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or new to the space, this is your chance to earn while supporting a fast-growing project. Why join the Pigs airdrop? Earn free tokens. Who doesn't love free crypto? By participating in the airdrop, you can grow your Pigs token holdings without spending a dime. Be part of a thriving community. Joining the airdrop connects you with millions of like-minded individuals who believe in the future of Pigs coin. Boost your wealth. Pigs coin is more than just a memecoin, it's a movement. By earning tokens early, you position yourself to benefit as the project grows and gains more traction in the market. Fun and engaging. The tasks and referral system are designed to make participation enjoyable, encouraging users to interact with the platform and each other. Don't miss this golden opportunity to secure your spot in the Pigs community and earn valuable rewards along the way. What's new about the Pigs listing? As the excitement around the airdrop builds, Pigs coin has another major milestone in store, its official listing on major exchanges. Scheduled to happen before September 30th, the listing will introduce Pigs coin to a broader market, increasing its accessibility and demand. Here's why the listing is such a big deal. Increased visibility. Once listed, Pigs coin will be available to millions of potential investors, driving more attention and growth for the project. Enhanced liquidity. Listing on major exchanges makes it easier for users to buy, sell, and trade Pigs tokens, increasing market activity and stability. Community growth. A successful listing attracts new members to the Pigs community, further strengthening the project and its potential. Special perks for the community. Starting September 9th, the Pigs team is offering an exciting bonus for its community members, additional $TON tokens to cover gas fees. This generous move ensures that users can trade and participate without worrying about extra costs. Here's why this is important. Lower barriers to entry. The $TON support removes financial obstacles, making it easier for everyone to join the Pigs ecosystem. More value for users. By covering gas fees, the project allows users to maximize their earnings and participation. Stronger community ties. This initiative highlights the Pigs team's commitment to its users, building trust and loyalty within the community. How to participate in the airdrop and listing events. Getting started with Pigs coin is simple. Follow these steps to make the most of the upcoming opportunities. Join the community. Head over to the official Pigs coin Telegram group to connect with other members and stay updated on the latest news. Complete tasks. Participate in the airdrop by completing the designated activities. These tasks are designed to be quick, easy, and rewarding. Refer friends. Invite your friends to join the Pigs revolution. The more referrals you make, the bigger your rewards. Stay tuned. Keep an eye on updates about the listing date and additional perks, like the $TON token support for gas fees. Why Pigs Coin is the future of memecoins. Pigs Coin isn't just another memecoin. It's a community-driven project with a clear vision for growth and success. By combining a fun, interactive platform with real rewards and opportunities, Pigs Coin is redefining what it means to be a memecoin. With its upcoming airdrop and listing events, the project is poised to make an even bigger impact on the crypto world. Don't miss your chance to be part of something truly special. Join now and secure your future. The clock is ticking. With the airdrop and listing events just around the corner, now is the perfect time to join the Pigs community. Earn free tokens, grow your wealth, and be part of a movement that's changing the game for memecoins.